Once upon a time in a kingdom of joy and laughter, there was a magical place we called Fairyland, where every dreams come true, where every child is a prince or a princess, and where the marvelous memories are made. So welcome everyone to our joyful Fairyland party. And now, let's all welcome Mommy together with our birthday celebrant, Kiona! Isang wakas na palakpakan para po sa ating birthday celebrant.
Pinangarap na talaga ito, ilang buwan niyang iniyakan.
Thank you, Mommy. Nang isang mas masaya at mas malakas na happy birthday in 3, 2, 1, Happy Birthday! Thank you, Mommy. Pwede po kayo dyan mag-stay sa lahan or kung saan po kayo mas comfortable. Okay, tingin mo na talaga dito sa... ready na po ba mga Jolly Kids? Sige daw. At kung ready na, okay, on my mark. In 3, 2, 1, go!